Good morning, everyone. I'm Maulik Shah. I'm part of the product team at Kotak Securities. We hope you and your family are safe and healthy and are following all the guidelines laid down by our government. Today, I will take you through the platform that we have tied up with to invest in stock baskets. Stock baskets, these are baskets that we've curated by our research team, Kotak Securities research team, and these are done basis the ratings and the outlooks that our research team has on particular sectors or on large cap, mid cap, etc. Currently, we have 9 stock baskets that are up and running. Let me tell you in the beginning itself, because a lot of people have these questions that why should we invest in a stock basket? Uh, See, basically, stock baskets helps you to diversify your holdings across sectors as well as stocks. Um, these will help you to follow a disciplined approach towards your investments. And the entire purpose of these baskets is to make you try and mimic the research recommendations so that you are posted on any updates, any changes in the recommendations that are there, any changes in the baskets that the research team initiates, so that you can easily follow the recommendations of research team. And we assume and we expect that you will stay invested in these baskets for at least a period of 3 years or more. And we also recommend you that you should invest in these baskets via the SIP route, so that we can capture all the volatility and uh, the the advantage of averaging of price is in our favor. Also, whilst I'll show you the platform, I'll tell you a couple of bigger benefits that investing in these stock baskets has vis-a-vis investing in a mutual fund, because a lot of people want to compare this, or they keep asking what is the benefit or difference between investing in stock basket vis-a-vis investing in a mutual fund, because typically the underlying concept is similar, which is say through the SIP mode or diversification of risk. Well, there are a couple of more benefits investing in stock basket, which is uh, you land up paying a little lesser than what you would pay in a mutual fund, because the cost or expense ratio of most of the mutual funds is around 65 to 75 bips in a direct mutual fund platform, and in an indirect one it goes to as high as 1.75% or 175 bips. Also, there is a little more control over these baskets, or your choice of scripts that you would want to invest in, stocks what that you would want to invest in, plus you have transparency of which stocks have you invested in, at what price, what time, etc., which usually gets missed in mutual fund, though to each his own. But our recommendation is stock baskets are uh, a, is a good product for customers who would want to have more control in their hands for their investments, and they would want to pick and choose certain scripts, stocks, thematic investments, etc. So let me take you through the web portal of our Kotak Securities, and I'll show you how to reach to this platform. This same platform is available to all our online users. It is also available on our Kotak Stock Trader app, which is our mobile app to trade, as well as on the EXE platform, which is Keet. So let me log in. So this login is exactly same as you log in daily for your trading purposes. This is your landing page. This is the first page that you usually see once you post login. This is under the new products. What you see is small case. This is the platform that we've tied with to execute our stock baskets. Uh, Smallcase is a technology platform provider to us. Lot of you would be aware of their product, which is for which they've also tied up with few other brokers as well. So it's the same platform that we've tied up with as well. Once you click on the small case option, so since here I have already invested in some of the baskets, hence I have not come to a page which usually the first time investor in this baskets will come to, which is the terms and conditions acceptance page. So before landing to this page, there will be another page that the first time user will have to uh, accept those terms and conditions on that page, and then only this page would be visible for you. Also, some of the customers over here who would want to execute their trades through dealers or call and trade facility, for them as well, they will have to first accept the terms and conditions over here, and then only the dealers or the call and trade team can place stock basket trades for you. Otherwise, it won't be possible to execute these trades. So please ensure that before asking your dealers or call and trade team to invest in any of these baskets, you'll have to first log in into be it our app, website, or exe portal. Come to this page, accept the terms and conditions, and then instantaneously you can start investing in any of the baskets. So this is how the page or your landing page would look like. Um, since I have invested already in few of the baskets, what we see here is what is the current value of my holdings, and what is am I making profits, losses, etc. And there is a Nifty ticker as well. Uh, these are few of these baskets, or how as small case terms it, these are few of the small cases that are in trend, or a lot of people have either watch listed them, invested in these baskets. So these are as we know, Twitter trends, these are similar to them, where these are the baskets that are in trend, and it could be basis the people who would have invested in, or they would have liked the baskets, or they would have watch listed these baskets. uh, and these are the news for the baskets that you have invested in. So if you have invested in few of the baskets, you would want to know, are there any news basis those stocks in those baskets? This is where you would find those news. Let me take you through the journey of one of the baskets, and which would apply, and you can extend it to all the baskets. uh, Typically what I would want to show and suggest is you should invest in the baskets created by Kotak Securities. Let me tell you the difference between the small cases or the baskets created by the small case platform vis-a-vis the baskets created by Kotak Securities. uh, Kotak Securities research team and the stock selection committee uh, has taken, or they are the ones who have selected the stocks that will fall under these baskets. They have created and curated these baskets according to themes, or according to diversification of risk, or diversification of uh, market capitalization of stocks. Uh, and hence there is a research report, etc., that is available for all these baskets that are created by Kotak. For rest of the baskets, these are the small cases that small case themselves have created using their own research tools. Their logic and the research rationale is also available for each of these baskets. But I would today take you through few of the stock baskets created by Kotak Securities. So these are few of the stock baskets created by Kotak Securities. You can see that in couple of lines we've tried to give a flavor of what and why are these baskets created. Uh, for example, FMCG stock basket. This basket is created by Kotak Securities, basis the coverage of Kotak Securities of FMCG companies. Here you can see that this basket falls under moderate risk, and the CAGR till date is around 13 odd percent. If you see details of why should you invest in this small case or stock basket, is because there is a consumption story that we see in India, and which is a growing opportunity. Plus, these baskets are designed for long-term structural growth story of India. If you want to see detailed report, you can click here and you would see the report of all the stocks that are the constituents of this small basket. As and when there is a change in recommendation or change in any of the research reports, targets, etc., we will keep updating those reports over here. You can also see over here which stocks are a part of this stock basket and along with their weightages. Usually, almost all our stock baskets are equi-weighted and we do not have any custom weight to a particular stock. So, since there are four stocks in this basket, the weightage is 25 for each of these stocks. And you can see that split is 75% of the stocks are large cap, while there's a one stock which is a mid cap stock. To see the past performance this stock, you'd have to go to the overview tab, and you can see for past 3 years this is how it has performed, and it has outperformed the Nifty 100. If you want to change the benchmark, you could change it to a Nifty 50, and you can easily see what is the outperformance. And to see and compare it with respect to Nifty FD or inflation, this is the third option that is available, which compares the stock basket to the three benchmarks, that is Nifty, FD, and inflation rates. On this page itself, you can either add this basket to your watch list, which is you might not instantly want to invest in this basket, but you'd rather want to keep this basket in your watch list and you might want to follow it for a few days and then you would want to invest. Then you can add this to your watch list, which will then be added to your watch list tab over here. So let me add to the watch list so that I can track. To buy this small case, you can click on the buy button. Currently, Kotak Securities has not enabled the aftermarket order in stock baskets, and hence, if today on a Saturday, if I try to click on the buy button, what I'll see is that you can only buy small cases during market hours, that is 9:15 to 3:30 on normal working days. I can even set a reminder so that on Monday morning, I'll be reminded that there is a basket that I need to buy. Um, we are working towards uh, activating the aftermarket orders for stock basket. It is probably in the final stages of execution and deployment. So probably a week later, you will be allowed to invest in stock baskets after markets as well. So basically, it will work as just an AMO order for equity. Similarly, this will work as AMO for stock baskets, so that you can invest in any of these baskets after market, and on the next working day, the same basket will get executed. Uh, to take you through the journey of this buying of the small case, let me take you through the presentation since we do not have the live coverage over there. So this is how the next screen will typically look like, which will tell you the name of the basket. So first time favorites or FMCG or a BFSI stock basket. It will ask you for what is the investment amount that you would want to put in, and by default, this field will show uh, the minimum investment amount of for applicable for this stock basket. The default tagging that we've done is a monthly SIP, because we recommend that all our customers should try and do a SIP model in at least in this volatile times. There is an option of one-time lump sum as well. So if the customer wants to invest in one-time lump sum, he can choose this option. Uh, but as of now, let me take an example of monthly SIP. The amount, as I said, this is the minimum amount that is required to execute this basket. Below, you will see these are the two stocks that are the constituent of first time favorites, and what are the current existing price last. So current market price, what is the weight according to the price, and what are the quantities of stocks that will be bought. You can also change the minimum investment amount, or you can change the amount that you would want to invest. So consider I am changing this amount to 2000 rupees instead of the minimum 1000. You can see that still the quantities have not changed because I am yet to confirm the amount. So the moment I will confirm the amount, what we shall see is these quantities over here will change basis the amount that you've chosen to invest. So my next screen post me clicking or confirming the amount changes the quantity of the stocks. It also real time checks what is the fund that is available in your margin. So to invest in any of the stock baskets, you will need to have complete margin. So for example, this small case or this basket requires 2082 rupees to be invested. In real time, this will check my available margin, and if the margin is not available greater than 2082 rupees, I will be shown this prompt that you don't have enough funds, and I'll have to add funds to ensure that this transaction goes through. What we check over here is, do you have your total margin available? So the margin could be your cash margin plus the stock margin that you might have. So both of these together should be greater than 2082 rupees. If it is greater than that value, then this a message wouldn't pop up. Otherwise, it will ask you to add funds. Also, so this is the screen post adding the funds. So here it has accepted that this is the value that I want to invest. These are the stocks, these are the quantity, and this is the current market price. Also note that the order type for all these stock baskets is IOC or immediate or cancel. It is not GFD, which is good for the day. So most usually customers prefer, or when you transact on your own, usually customers use GFD, which is good for the day. And hence when you put in a limit order, uh, we try to ensure that till 3:30 that price gets triggered, and that stock would be bought or sold for you. That transaction will be done. In case of immediate or cancel, what happens is, we try to buy this stock at that particular price. If that price does not get triggered immediately, that order is remains unfulfilled. Also, all these orders in stock baskets go at market. They do not go as limit orders, so you don't have a choice to change the price. So you can't say that I want to execute State Bank at 175 rupees and ICICI Bank at 330 rupees. They have to go at market orders. Also, one more very critical thing to note, and some queries that have come to us is for IOC, because there are cases where customers select their own stocks in baskets, or in volatile times like these, when few of the stocks we see on a daily basis hit upper or lower circuits. So whenever a stock is on an upper circuit and you are trying to buy it through the stock basket, and since this order type is immediate or cancel, there is the probability of that order not getting fulfilled is almost sure, and hence that order does not get fulfilled. uh, so what happens in that case is, this basket goes under repair mode, where maybe out of these three stocks or two stocks, one of them does not get fulfilled and one gets fulfilled. So if that is the case, you can go back again to your basket, executed basket, and use the word repair the basket, so that whatever stock that was unfulfilled, we can again try and fulfill and fill that stock again. So once you the user selects and confirms that this is the order that the user wants to place, the next screen again prompts you to say that you are starting a SIP, because as I said, the default selection is monthly SIP, that you are starting the SIP in the shown quantity of shares. So one more thing to note, and one more larger difference that this has vis-a-vis the normal mutual fund SIP, is that other SIPs gets executed on the basis of the investment amount. So for example, if you want to start a MF SIP, what you decide is, I want to do an SIP of 1,500 rupees every month. Here what happens is, you have to decide the quantity of the shares that you want to purchase in the SIP. So in this same example, what we are doing is, we are setting up a SIP or SIP of 6 SBI and 3 ICICI Bank every month. So that's the prompt that it is saying, that you are starting a SIP in shown quantity of shares in this small case. So there is a possibility that next month, when this SIP is due, I might be charged 1900 rupees or 2100 rupees basis the fluctuation of these stocks. This is obviously it has its pros and cons. Uh, the con is that the user does not know what is the amount that will be debited every month, or rather exact amount is not known. But the good part is, in this way of SIP, uh, the weightage or the uh, proportion of the stocks that you are buying every month remains constant. It does not, so the outperformer or the stock which performs better and the stock that has rallied, you don't end up buying lesser of those and more of the stocks that have underperformed. So that way, that's the call that finally someone has to take, that you would want a fixed amount to be debited every month, or you would want to participate in better performing stock as well. So as of now, the SIP model is basis the quantities of shares and not exactly on the amount to be invested. Also, since last 3 weeks, what we've activated is the auto SIP model, which is, when you start this SIP or when I will confirm this order every month, on this fixed date, this amount will be debited from my account, which is, if this is a Trinity or 3-in-1 account with Kotak Securities and Kotak Bank, the amount will be auto pulled from your Kotak savings account. And if it is a 2-in-1 account, which is, you've connected or linked a different account other than Kotak, and in that case, your ledger will be debited by this amount in the next month, just in case your account is in debit, or there are outstanding debits in your ledger, then that SIP will not be successfully executed. So ensure that whenever you set up a SIP, you should have clear available balance, and your account or ledger should not be in debit. Usually one day prior to the SIP being due, there is an email which is shot to the customers, which kind of reminds you that tomorrow there is a SIP due in one of these baskets. So ensure there is a sufficient balance which is maintained. We would recommend that, to ensure that you are strictly following the routine, ensure that your ledgers are not in negative before executing these SIPs. So the next screen, once I confirm the order, the next screen that tells me is that the order is successfully placed, and it's still waiting for the order status. Once I receive the order status, it will tell me that okay, all the orders are filled, which is these two orders of SBI and ICICI Bank are filled, and they are filled successfully. If I click on the order detail tab, which you can see below, it shows me a page which tells me that ICICI and SBI, these are the two stocks bought, um, the average price of these stocks. And when I click on the details, which is here, the details option gives me in-depth detail of that order. So it tells me the exchange ID, order ID, etc. that you would want to see. This same details will also be available on your trading portal. So if you are parallelly trading on Keet or website, your order status and open positions will also show these same details. Just in case you don't want to go there, we've enabled these options over here itself, where you can see the order ID and exchange ID. Let me go back to the live website and take take you through the other journey. Okay, so let me take you to the investment tab. The investment tab effectively tells you, once you've executed the trades that I showed, displayed just now, the same. So that first time favorite basket is now available here, so that I can keep a track of my investments. So under the investments tab, I can see all the stock baskets that I've invested in. These are the two stock baskets that I've created of my own. This is a stock basket which I just recently bought, created by Kotak Securities. And here on the top is what you see is the cumulative performance of your stock baskets. So currently I'm making a loss on all my small stock baskets together, and the amount invested is 6,159, wherein the value currently is 6,000 rupees. um, it upfront shows you that there are SIPs in all of these baskets. Let me go in detail of the executed trade, and over here there are more actions available. So these are again three more important options that or the features that stock baskets provides you with. So consider a scenario where I have just bought this first time favorite stock basket created by Kotak Securities, and probably 15 days later I would want to invest more money into this. So I don't need to again buy a small case or again buy a stock basket. What I need to do is come into the investment tab and go to the small case or the stock basket that I've invested in, and there is an option called invest more. So the moment I press or I choose to invest more in this basket, I can invest anything above the 1,000 rupees minimum investment value of this basket. I can choose to invest a lump sum. I can choose to edit the SIP that I've already executed. So I can again go and edit the SIP that I've executed and change the frequency of the SIP to monthly, quarterly. I can choose or change the date of execution every month. I can also stop the SIP if I want to. So all these options are available for you post the execution of order. Uh, One more option that makes or stands is one of the best feature of stock basket is the feature called rebalance. So let us again go to one of these baskets, and I can tell you what does rebalance actually mean and why is it that investing through this platform is critical and will be very helpful to all the investors. So consider this scenario where you've invested in these four stocks in this stock basket. Now you have an option to even invest in these baskets independently uh, on your own. I mean, you could log into a Kit or a website and invest in these four stocks separately. But maybe a month later or 2 months later or a quarter later, there is an outcome of on there is a result of all these stocks, and there's a possibility or there could be a change in any of the recommendations of these stocks. uh, in a scenario where any of these stocks are going into a sell rating, we will come back to these same stock baskets and we would remove these stocks. Maybe there is a possibility of replacing that stock with another stock which looks where the possibility of outperformance is much higher, or it could just be saying that okay, I want to exit one of these stocks and invest the remaining in the other three stocks, invest that proceeds in the other three stocks. Now that update is only possible if you invest through this platform. Otherwise, you will have to manually keep tracking all our research reports and take your own judgment. Here, what we'll say is we consider exiting out of one of these stocks and investing in one another stock, a new stock probably. And that feature is called rebalance. So whenever we do rebalancing of these baskets, you will receive an email and SMS that the basket that you've invested in, so FMCG basket that you've invested in, is undergoing rebalance. Do you want to rebalance your investments, yes or no? It is customers prerogative and option to choose to invest or not. But if you do accept that rebalance, uh, what effectively happens is one of the stocks that we want to exit gets sold, and the stock that we want you to buy gets purchased with the same amount. uh, Similarly, your SIPs, the next due SIPs will be basis the rebalanced stock. If you don't choose to rebalance, your original stock basket remains as it is, and your future SIPs also continue in the similar fashion, the way you've chosen to invest. Uh, and hence, this becomes a great feature to have because you are always updated on what the research uh, team's view on these baskets are, and if there is any change in any of these recommendations that you've invested in, and hence you can take a very proactive approach to your research investments in these stock baskets. Also, as an added feature, you can go to the news tab and you can read the news related to the stocks that you've invested in or the stocks that are present in these baskets. One more feature that I would like to highlight is when you are exiting a small case, or you say you want to liquidate your position, you feel that you've got enough and more returns, or you want liquidity. What you have to do is go into your investments. So these are the baskets that I've invested in. You can click on the basket and you can say exit the small case. I would recommend you to exit your stock baskets only by coming here and doing this. Only by going to your investment page, choosing which basket do you want to exit, and then selecting exit small case. You have a choice to partially exit the basket. You have choice to completely exit the basket as well. But please exit your baskets by choosing this option only. Obviously, you have the option to exit the basket by calling your call and trade or calling your dealer and asking him or her to sell your holdings, because these all holdings will reflect in your DP. All our portals are tightly integrated, so whatever you transact or whatever you purchase from this platform will reflect in your other platforms as well. Plus it will reflect in your portfolio tracker, it will reflect in your sell from existing as well. But the moment you sell your stocks or the stocks in your of your stock basket from your sell from existing or portfolio tracker, the same does not get reflected on this portal. So if imagine a scenario, you've sold partial stock basket from sell from existing, but when you come over here, you will still see your complete holding because you've not come on this platform and you've not chosen to sell your basket from here. And hence, I would suggest you to always exit your stock baskets from this portal only. So from logging into Kotak Securities, going into small case platform, going into your investments, choosing which small case do you want to exit, and then exit the small case. Please do not do so from your portfolio tracker or your sell from existing. Not that technically it is not possible, it is very much possible. You can anytime do that. And in case of urgency, emergency, you want to do that, you can definitely do it. Just that the reconciliation then won't happen. So your stocks would be sold. They will not go for auction. There is nothing that is risky. It is just that your data will not reflect the same performance over here. That is it. Your performance over here will still show those stocks, but ideally you are not holding those stocks. So in case of sell, you should always come to your own investments on small case platform and then exit the small case from the portal over here. uh, you can create your own baskets as well. It's a great way to keep tracking your own ideas, your own thought processes. uh, so maybe if you feel in such scenarios that you'd want to invest in FMCG and you don't like the stocks that we've selected, you can either choose to edit the portfolio or you can choose to create your own baskets as well. Though, if you create your own baskets, you will not be entitled to any rebalances because it's not the basket that Kotak Securities recommends, or if it's not exactly the same basket as what Small Case recommends, then you are on your own. But then at least you will be able to track each of your investments in each of these baskets separately, and which is a big feature to have because if you do your own investments through uh, your KS kit or your websites, you are not able to track baskets of stocks together and their performances, which becomes easier over here. Um, One more thing to note, and one of the important things that I would want to tell is couple of weeks back, small case was completely free. That is, there were no extra charges for small case. Only your brokerage and statutory charges were applicable. Uh, we all these baskets now, if you invest, attracts 100 rupees uh, one time fee per basket plus GST. So consider a scenario that you've invested in first time favorites. Um you will be charged 100 rupees plus GST as one time fee. Then any of your further future orders, which is SIP or your rebalances or your partial sell, or you want to invest more in this basket, will only attract brokerage plus statutory charges. It will not attract the 100 rupees for each transaction. 100 rupees is charged only once per small case. Yeah, if you want to then invest in FMCG, which is another basket, then again 100 rupees for that basket will be charged. If you then again want to invest in a Super 25, similarly 100 rupees will be charged, but this 100 rupees is charged once per small case. It is not charged for your future SIPs. It is not charged for your invest mores or exiting the small cases. Only your brokerage and statutory charges are charged. Uh, Let me again just show you the baskets that we've created. Super 25 is a basket that consists of large, mid, and large cap stocks. It's a well diversified portfolio wherein currently there are 16 to 17 stocks, but at max we will reach to 25. We will not cross 25 companies in this basket. Currently, it is the minimum investment value is around 80,000 rupees, and the idea of this basket is to have a diversified portfolio. So this basket has stocks from BFSI to FMCG, BFSI, telecom, IT, auto, oil and gas, pharma, etc. So it's a diversified portfolio. Another basket that we've created is high dividend yield. These are the stocks that we feel and has history of giving high dividends. Uh, the idea is to invest in stocks that gives you parallel returns, and also enjoy the upside of the equity in these stocks. Quality starter pack, beginners mixed bag, and first time favorite. These are the three baskets that we've created to for specifically targeting the new investors who are say first time, or they are initially, it's new equity investment for these guys. And these are all the stocks that are large cap. Uh, for example, beginners mixed bag has telecom, bank, insurance, and it's again I won't say a completely diversified portfolio, but then stocks from various sectors. Um, Similarly, we've got thematic baskets of FMCG, BFSI, and pharma. So um, clients can visit these baskets. You can do your own research. You can also see the research reports for all these baskets, the stocks that are covered in these baskets. And if you feel that you would want to invest in pharma, and you feel positive about the pharma sector as such, you can invest in a pharma stock basket. And the process remains same, where you have to invest the minimum investment amount, which is for say a pharma basket 12,385. You can invest more, but you can't invest lesser than 12,385 rupees. We suggest you have a SIP model, uh, SIP approach to these baskets, so that you can tackle the volatility. So also one more thing to notice, these SIPs are perpetual SIPs. So there is no duration to these SIPs. Uh, they will keep getting executed till the time you have enough funds in your ledger or your bank account. And whenever you would want to stop these SIPs, you have to come to the portal. And as I showed you, that you have to go into your investments, and you have to go into your basket and edit auto sip. So under the edit auto sip, you will have an option to say stop SIP, which you can do that. So then these SIPs will be stopped. Um, we would suggest usage of these platforms if you'd want to have a diversified portfolio, reiterating those same features where uh, following these baskets will keep you updated on any rebalances that our research team uh, feels that we should do. Any change in recommendations, any stocks going under a sell rating will be updated so that you can follow and mirror those to make the most of the research team, and follow a disciplined approach to investments. Uh, and as I said, uh, this option, or you can reach to this platform through all our online medium, which is our mobile trading app, website, as well as from the EXE platform, which is Keet. Um, if you face any difficulties, you can always reach out to our customer care team. They are well equipped to answer your queries. Um, I think this kind of summarizes what this how to invest in these stock baskets and why to invest in these stock baskets. We hope that this will help your investment strategy, and this will help you to follow a disciplined routine to investments, and uh, uh, you know uh, invest in a SIP model will help you tide over these volatile times. um, Yep. And as I said, if you have any queries, any further questions regarding stock baskets, you can always reach out to our customer care team. They'll be more than happy to help you. You can also reach out to your dealer or your RM. They are also well equipped to answer any questions regarding this. With this, I thank you all for logging into this webinar, and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you, guys.